Good evening friends, today's date is 24 September 2021 and our today's video topic is access modifier in Java. Let's we have to see the access modifier and their importance. There are two types of access modifier. One is access modifier and second one is non-access modifier. Let's we have to discuss about the access modifier. Access modifier in Java specifies the accessibility of that scope of the field, like classes, methods, or constructors, variables, or these can be changed and their scope of work will be applying on that by using the access modifier. There are four types of access four types of access modifier in Java. First one is private, second one is protected, third one is default, fourth one is public. In the first one we have to see the private access means private access modifier is also known as means it can access the only within the class. Means when we declare the private keywords before into the class, then it can access level is within the class only. It cannot access from the outside the class. The second one is default. Default constructor is also known as means we have not any declared any access modifier. For example, private, public, or protected. These three, all of them are no any access modifiers can be declared. On that scenario, the default constructor will be automatically consider. Then default access modifier on access scope of area is within the package. It cannot access from the outside of the package. If you do not specify any access level, it will be default. We discussed it. The third one is default. Default constructor is also known as protected constructor is also known as it can protect to protecting levels. Means the access level is within the package and outside the package through the child class. If you do not make the child class, it cannot be accessed from the outside the package. The fourth one is public. Then public keyword, when we declare the public keyword, the access of that class level access level is within the everywhere. Means it can everywhere accessible. The scope of area is within the class, outside the class, subclass, outside the package, and outside the package also you can access. These keywords will be also declared in the before the private also methods also, as a constructor also, and the variable also. When we declare the variables as a private, for example, when the private keyword will be declared within before the variables, then this variable can be accessible within the class only, and this will give the security of that class. And this private variables can be used in the security of the codes. Means our functionality can be hide and no one outside the persons can be accessible. And in this scenario, the private keyword is most important to the program or their project also. This for example, we can shortly discuss about the private keywords. For example, we can declare the private keywords private int data is equal to 40, and we can declare the method as a private void hello sum. The sum and the syntax, we can take the sysout and hello Java. The second class, we can take the public class class B, for example. And for main methods, we can declare and create the object of the class A. Obj is equal to new obj A, sysout and obj dot data. This will be a compile time error. For and this scenario, we can call to the, because why the will be compiler will be give the error, because outside the class we cannot be accessible the private variables. And the second one is we can see the example of the default access modifier. For example, within the package, we can take the class A and the void message sysout hello. and we can take another package and we can import that package class B and public static void main string arguments, and we can create the object of class A obj is equal to new obj. This will be gives the error because it cannot be accessible outside the package. The third one is we can see the protected keywords can be accessible within the class, within the package also, and we cannot outside the package. Package P and public class A and protected void message and sysout hello, and we can import that package and class B extend A. Then we can create an object of that second class B obj is equal to new obj dot get message. The output will be hello. That's our tutorial of is complete. Thank you.